I'm Brianna Brownlee here in downtown Fort Myers to talk about the people who make the laws that we all live by. For instance, I am in the area of where a statue of Confederate General Robert E. Lee used to be before the city of Fort Myers decided to take it down. Now a proposed bill in the State House will take that decision away from the city. Now, the battle between the state and local government is something that we are hearing more of. For Sarah Wilson with the NAACP, the breaking point is a bill that will make it illegal to remove or destroy historic monuments.
A municipality has the right to say what happens in their city or in their county. This is more authoritative government by our state, and in trying to seize power from these local governments.
For Fort Myers City Councilman Johnny Streets, it's a state bill that will ban citizen police review boards.
Those who are in Tallahassee during this extent of in session, stop trying to take things away from the local counties and cities to run their own businesses.
And for former Fort Myers Beach Town Councilman Bill Veach, it was a law that forces local elected officials to disclose their personal finances.
I think it's more of an intent to damage home rule, to try to erode home rule, which the state has been trying to do for years.
Three different scenarios, but the same bottom line.
Each of these really represents the states taking over from what historically has been a local government option.
That's former FGCU professor Peter Bergeson. He tells me state lawmakers and Governor DeSantis are taking a one-size-fits-all approach to issues the state didn't traditionally deal with.
Two of the issues really have a distinct social context to them, as well as a political context to them. And I see these within the definition of what the governor sees as being woke.
Most people may consider Republicans more of the ones who don't want the big governments overstepping when it comes to policies. Usually when they talk about the federal government, they don't want the federal government trying to oversee what's happening in the states. Would you say that's a fair statement?
Sure. Historically, Republican Party has been one in which they have been an advocate for less rules and regulations, less government intervention and involvement. And these actions or decisions seem to be contrary to their historical positions.
I did ask Bergeson if there is anything the cities can do to fight back. He says in some cases they can take it to court. However, it does get expensive and it's a long process. He said in most cases, it's not much that they can do. From downtown Fort Myers, Brianna Brownlee, Fox 4.